What's up, boys and girls? Today I've got a little one for you, another little Honda part, genuine Honda part from a Honda FCX Clarity. I think it's the FCX anyway, I definitely know it's a Clarity. So on a lot of modern Hondas you get the old blue screen wash cap, which if you're sort of styling your engine bay and trying to get it all to certain colours, that blue can rather stand out. I know a lot of people paint them, but I've got a solution to that. So here we have a black screen wash bottle cap from a Honda Clarity, as I've just said. That's the part number if you want to hit it up. Now this is obviously I think it's a US part. I managed to source this through another company, although they weren't listing the part number because a few other companies are trying to get hold of this part number. You can get a black one as well, a completely black one, which I think is from an Acura TL. I'm sure my guys across the pond will be able to confirm that or deny it. But yeah, so we're going to replace the old blue one with this. I might replace the stick so it's the actual proper length of what it should be for CRZ. So as you can see, that blue doesn't really work with the rest of the bay. So let's do something about that. Let's fit that black one, but at least it's still got the blue logo on it, so you can still sort of see what it is. Not really that I need to, but I think the old black one wouldn't look as good personally. But yeah, let's fit that. So there we go. That's the outside of the bag. It's pretty cool. I think it will suit that much better. As you get a new stick on it, you just bend that down and pop her in. As you might be able to see, these are slightly different lengths. So this one's obviously off the CRZ, so I'm going to take that off, put it on the new cap, so it's actually the right length. Because these have got, I don't know if people know it, but these have actually got a level indicator on it, so you can actually tell how much screen wash is in your bottle. So I'm going to swap them over. That'll be right for the video. There we are, that's that swapped over. Quick little tip, get a hairdryer or a heat gun on that just to push it on. Otherwise you might end up snapping this. It's only plastic. Yeah, here we go. Simple as that. I think that's definitely better. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Definitely. Yeah, I'm definitely happy with that. Got to say a shout out really to my good friend Bob Gabbey. He had one on his FN1, the Civic Type S that I reviewed, and he was the one who kind of made me aware to this. So thanks, Bob. Yeah, hope you've enjoyed this one. If you want one of those, there's the part number, and go and order yourself one. Quick one there as well. I have shared this part number with Torque Parts, Torque GT. They may be putting this on their website. I'm not quite sure yet. They might be putting the black one on there as well for all you guys that want the black one. Cheers guys, and have a good evening. This sun, it's lovely. It's meant to be freezing again in a few days time. Weather can't make his mind up. See you everyone.